Welcome to the fourth video of this section. In this video, we'll be exploring the topic of adapting to change and how it can impact our mindset. Change is an inevitable part of life. Whether it's a major life event such as a job loss or the birth of a child, or more subtle changes such as a new routine or a shift in perspective, change can be both exciting and challenging. It can often disrupt our sense of stability and cause us to feel anxious, uncertain, or overwhelmed. However, it's important to recognize that change is also an opportunity for growth and development. By learning how to embrace change and uncertainty, we can develop a more resilient mindset and leverage new opportunities. So, let's dive into the nature of change and its impact on mindset. Change can take many forms, and it can be either positive or negative. For instance, a promotion at work might be seen as positive change, while a layoff or termination might be seen as negative change. However, both types of change can have an impact on our mindset. Negative changes can often lead to feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression, and can cause us to question our abilities and self-worth. On the other hand, positive changes can be accompanied by feelings of excitement and motivation, but they can also be challenging in their own right. For example, starting a new job or taking on a leadership role can be exciting, but it can also be overwhelming and require new skills and knowledge. To adapt to change, it's important to develop techniques for embracing uncertainty and finding opportunity in the face of challenges. Here are some techniques. 1. Embrace the unknown. Rather than fearing the unknown, try to approach it with curiosity and an open mind. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation, or what opportunities might this change present? 2. Focus on the present. Instead of worrying about the past or the future, focus on the present moment. This can help you stay grounded and better able to manage stress. 3. Cultivate flexibility. Try to be adaptable and flexible in your approach to change. This can help you better navigate unexpected obstacles and find new solutions to problems. 4. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself during times of change is essential. This can include getting enough sleep, eating healthy, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. 5. Seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek support during times of change. This can include reaching out to friends, family, or a therapist. Examples of individuals who have successfully adapted to change and leveraged new opportunities can be a source of inspiration and motivation. For instance, J.K. Rowling was initially rejected by several publishers before finding success with the Harry Potter series. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team before becoming one of the greatest basketball players of all time. In summary, change is an inevitable part of life, and learning how to adapt to it can have a significant impact on our mindset. By embracing the unknown, focusing on the present, cultivating flexibility, practicing self-care, and seeking support, we can develop a more resilient and growth-oriented mindset. Remember, change can be both challenging and exciting, but by learning to embrace it, we can unlock new opportunities and achieve our goals. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative and inspiring. In the next video, we'll delve into the importance of resilience and persistence in developing a growth mindset. We'll explore techniques for building resilience and persistence, and look at examples of individuals who have overcome obstacles and achieved success through their tenacity and determination. So, stay tuned and get ready to learn how to cultivate the qualities of resilience and persistence in your own life.